understanding your code like never before. Inheriting an older project without documentation can be a daunting task. It's like trying to navigate a maze without a map. The lack of documentation leaves you feeling lost and confused, unsure of where to start or how to make sense of the code. But fear not, this is where AI tools come to the rescue. AI tools are like powerful flashlights that illuminate the darkness of undocumented code. They shine a light on the inner workings of the project, extracting valuable insights and helping you gain a crystal clear overview of the codebase. One of the key benefits of AI tools is their ability to generate diagrams and visualizations. These visual representations provide a high-level view of the project's structure and organization. You can easily see how different components interact with each other and identify potential bottlenecks or areas for improvement. AI tools can also generate summaries of the code, providing concise and informative descriptions of the project's functionality. These summaries are invaluable for quickly understanding the purpose and behavior of the code, without having to read through lines and lines of code.